Welcome back, historians, to a time when a single photograph could change military doctrine. After World War II, the sight of the Soviet IS-3 heavy tank in Berlin sent shivers through Western command. America needed a counter, a pure anti-tank machine designed for one thing: killing the heaviest Soviet armor at maximum range. This desperation birthed the M103 Heavy Tank, the last of America's heavy tank lineage, a 60-ton behemoth with a massive 120mm gun. The M103 was designed to be the ultimate technological deterrent, yet it remains an almost forgotten giant. Today, we unravel the mysterious service life and the quiet demise of America's final heavy tank. The M103's lineage can be traced directly to the shock of the IS-3. Its sloped, pike nose armor looked impervious, convincing U.S. planners that their M48 medium tanks would be insufficient in a European war. The solution was the T-43 program, finalized as the M103. The tank's entire philosophy centered on its main weapon, the massive 120mm M58 rifle gun. This gun was one of the most powerful ever mounted on a U.S. tank, capable of throwing heavy shot with enough velocity to reliably penetrate the T-10, the final Soviet heavy tank. The M103 was a true castle on tracks, boasting thick, rounded cast steel armor on the turret designed for maximum ricochet chance. It was slow, fuel-hungry, and highly complex, requiring a large crew of 5, including 2 dedicated loaders for the 2-piece ammunition. Despite its formidable protection, the M103 was plagued by problems stemming from its rushed design. Initial models failed to meet Army standards, with over 100 design defects identified. These issues ranged from a cramped interior to chronic engine problems. The original engine was severely underpowered, giving the 60-ton tank a painfully slow road speed of just 21 miles per hour and a pitiful operational range of only 80 miles. Logistically, it was a nightmare, expensive to maintain and difficult to transport. Ironically, while the U.S. Army quickly relegated its small batch of M103s to reserve status, the U.S. Marine Corps embraced the Titan. The Marines valued its ability to provide extremely heavy fire support for amphibious landings and held on to their M103s far longer than the Army. The M103's ultimate fate was sealed not by a superior enemy tank, but by a shift in military philosophy: the rise of the main battle tank, MBT concept. Tanks like the M60 could combine the speed of a medium tank with the firepower of the M103, using advanced 105mm rifled guns and improved armor protection. Heavy tanks were simply too slow and expensive for the rapidly evolving Cold War battlefield. To keep their giants running, the Marines upgraded their M103s into the M103A2 variant, installing the M60's powerful diesel engine and increasing the operational range to nearly 300 miles. But the delay was temporary. The last M103s were finally retired in 1974, closing the chapter on the American heavy tank forever. The M103 heavy tank never saw combat, but its sheer existence defined a generation of armored planning. It was America's immovable object, a testament to the raw firepower needed to stare down the Soviet giants. Military historians, what is the M103's greatest contribution? Its impressive gun, or the fact that its existence drove the development of the more versatile MBT? Let us know your opinions on America's last heavyweight in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exploration of Cold War armor, please subscribe and hit that bell to keep our armored archives rolling. Thanks for watching.